Welcome back, my friends. This is another kit review. This is the Hasegawa Paddock Girls Figures Collection '09. Now this is in 1/24 scale and fantastic series of kits you can get from Hasegawa. They have a whole collection of these that you can get, and they aren't really that expensive. And right away we get a flesh colored trees. I'll take these out of the plastic, we'll get a closer look. We also get a water slide decal sheet. That's how that looks. And lastly, the kit instructions. And there we go. Giving us an example of the Paddock girls with the umbrella. And of course you'll see these at numerous motorsports events, motorcycle, regular cars, and such. And even car shows. So we'll get a closer look at the sprues and I'll be right back. Contained within the kit are 2 trees, and this is a flesh colored injected molded plastic. Also we received the kit instructions complete with colors to be used. A little guide here showing you where to paint what colors. Within the instructions you can see how they give you in detail how to assemble the bodies and how to paint the faces, and overall paint colors for the 2 figures standing together under the umbrella. Very nice there. Also the water slide decals. And you can see here decals for the eyes for the first figure, the other figure, also sponsorship decals for the clothing and the umbrella. Very nice there. Here's a close-up of the arms. The other 2 arms and hands. Backside. Very detailed. Close-up of the umbrella. One of the legs. The face. The umbrella rod. One of the other legs. A little bit of the hair, ponytail. Boots. First figure there. And the other figure there. And the boot. The other face. The underside of the umbrella. And you'll have to clean it up a bit to get out the mold release injection marks. Back side of the first figure. Back side of the other figure. Close-up of the boot. Close-up of the figure. Close-up of the other figure. Leg and boot. Once again, another leg and boot. The face of the one figure and the face of the other. And just to show you how the figures compare to a 1/24 scale car. And that's what they look like there. And there you go. That was an open box review of the Hasegawa Paddock Girls in 1/24 scale. This is figure collection 09. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and happy modeling, everybody.